Vanakkam, Krishna Mckenzie. This ragi is what we call the Chithirai varga. Chithirai ragi. Chithirai is the Tamil lunar month, which comes towards I think it's the middle of May. This ragi is planted in the end of February, very beginning of March. So it's produced, so it starts to be, the harvest is ready in Chitra Masam. So it's called Chithirai ragi, Chithirai varga. The knowledge of these seasons, that's a culture. Due to an education system that's meaningless and a highly industrialized, agriculture, we've sort of lost this very essential knowledge of when to grow different plants. This is something that we will definitely look at in depth on our permaculture workshop on this 26th, 27th, 28th, and also we'll eat ragi and inspire you how to use ragi in different ways to make the traditional dish like the adai, which is a ragi chapati with drumstick spinach and onions. And you will see the delight of that. The value of the ragi is not only its ecological value and its cultural significance, but it tastes really good as well. So another beautiful thing that's happening right here in this ragi field that's happened without any effort is this purple joyweed has been growing. Now the purple joyweed is a type of amaranth, and we cook it as a vegetable, or we put it in salads. And another amazing one that we had as a main curry yesterday is the Manathakkali. This is a spinach that's from the Selenius family, the tomato and the nightshade family. These berries are really good for mouth ulcer, and they taste like little sort of blackberries, but the leaves are cooked. And then you see down here we also have the chicken spinach, the Talinum triangulare, which we also use in our that's very nice. We use that in salads, in pestos, in chutneys, in palak paneers, in all sorts of dishes. And then we also have papayas that are coming up on their own. So you see, a very recurrent theme in natural farming is the non-strategic planting of crops. So it's not the planting, it's the honoring, it's the receiving, it's the gratitude that these plants have come up on their own. Let them be. Use them, harvest them. And, most of these plants are the real fabric of a nutritional culture. So this is also something that we'll really explore in depth on our workshop, because before you start to try and grow carrots and beetroots, why not eat the foods that grow without any effort at all? Come, let's look at this side. Look at those flowers, aren't they absolutely beautiful? That is the Soursop flower, or the Munuchita, Laxman phal. You have the custard apple, Sitafal, the Ram phal, which is known as Ataparam, the bullock heart, and then you have the soursop, or the graviola. Now this tree is 10,000 times more effective in the treatment of cancer than chemotherapy, and what's good about it is it tastes good. You smell that? It smells really nice. You boil this in water, add a little lemon, sweet or not sweet, and it's a hot drink or a cold drink. These are the practical things that we need to learn. And we'll also show you how to make jackfruit leaf juice. And we'll show you how to make the Sangapu, the butterfly pea juice. You see, all these things are growing around us. And all we have to do is reclaim our relationship with Mother Nature. This is a cultural redemption. March 26, 27, 28. Please check the link below. It's with Oroville Green Practices. And we really hope to see you here and walk with us on this road back to nature. Thank you very much.